welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do want to say before we get into our unboxing that we do have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So make sure you definitely head over, check that out. Don't forget to enter, as well as the Jeffree Star giveaway and the Rebecca Mail 3-month subscription giveaway. So quite a few giveaways going on. If you are new, welcome. I do hope you would consider hitting that subscribe button and joining our family here on YouTube. We'd love to have you. We do all kinds of unboxings, review videos, haul videos, sneak peek videos, live streams, giveaways, always a great time. So definitely consider becoming a part of our family and hitting that subscribe button. And as always, please make sure you do leave a comment down below telling me your thoughts on the video or just how your day is going. I love hearing from you guys. So let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing, which is for Oscar and Otis. It's the BULLYMAKE box for August 2019. So a little bit about BULLYMAKE, if you are not familiar. It is a monthly box for power chewers, and it is $39 a month. You can get it as low as $31 a month if you go ahead and prepay, because they do have the option to prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. It is free shipping, and you get 5 to 6 premium items. And of those 5 to 6, 2 to 3 will be toys, and then 3 to 4 treats. What I really like about the subscription is you can let them know, first of all, the size of your dog. So that will make a difference on the toys that they receive, things like that. Also, you can let them know if your dogs have any type of allergies. So they won't send treats if, you know, your dog has a certain allergy. They will send treats that don't contain those products, which is awesome. Now, when you place your order, if you sign up, I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Your order will ship the next business day from when you place the order, and then it will ship every 30 days after that. So it's not one that necessarily ships on the 1st of every month or anything like that. So if you sign up on the 6th of the month, it will ship, and it's like a Tuesday, it will ship the next day, the 7th, and then it will ship every 30 days. So let's get in here and see what August is all about. Again, like I said, I will put that link down below for you guys so you can sign up if you would like. I know Oscar and Otis love this box so much. Oscar definitely more for the toys, Otis all about the treats. So, tuck some tape with it. There is always a theme. That is one thing too, with the box. So I can already kind of tell by looking here that it looks like it's probably going to be like a back to school theme, which is super cute. So you can see there the August BULLYMAKE, and I can see some of the toys here on the back. So we will look at that, but then here is what it looks like when you open it. It's got paper with all kinds, if I get a little bit closer, all kinds of different doggies. Super cute. All right. So we will start with the toys. Now, the one thing here that I think is fun, get under there. The toys are unique to BULLYMAKE, so that is always awesome. So the first toy here is a globe, and it says BULLYMAKE. And I can already tell that it's going to be one that you can put a treat in, which is fun. Don't forget about geography class, of course. This August, we designed a classic ball toy for multi-purpose enjoyment. The globe is excellent for fetch, find the treat, or regular chewing. Made in the USA with rugged rubber and lots of love. So yeah, you can stick a treat in there. Super cute. All right, so there's one of the toys. And then this is our second toy. I'll get this out. It's cute how it comes in its own little packaging. And this is just precious. It is a pencil. You can see it says BULLYMAKE right there. And the globe is valued at $18, and so is the pencil. So it says back to school means it's chew time for your doggo. Let your power chewer take some notes with our custom made nylon pencil, or maybe just chew on it. It's peppermint flavored and rolls around to keep your dog engaged. This pencil is the perfect shape for any power chewer's pleasure. Made in the USA. Oh, I do. I smell peppermint. How cute. Oh, look, I got lipstick on it. Ah. How cute is that? Oh. Back to school time. All right, so then let's get into our treats and see what August is bringing for Oscar and Otis. These are even like school themed. This is so precious. Okay, so we have the BULLYMAKE Bus Bites right there. So this has, let's see, pea starch, vegetable glycerin, pea powder, tapioca starch, whey, canola oil, duck, honey, lactic acid, salt, turmeric, anise powder. So yum. I bet they love these. So they will be happy with that. And then we have some stop sign snackers. Pea starch, peanut flour, vegetable, tapioca syrup, gelatin, meat protein, lactic acid, natural vanilla flavor, citric acid. I love that they tell you what is in here, so you know exactly what you're giving to your dog. And these are healthy treats, so they will enjoy that. And then there's one more, so they are definitely stocked up for August. So this is BULLYMAKE Peanut Butter Chicken Smokies. These feel like kind of like meat sticks. Chicken, potato flour, vegetable glycerin, peanut butter, smoke flavor, salt, rosemary extract. They're gonna love these. I can already tell you that right now. They're gonna be on these like it's nobody's business. So that was our BULLYMAKE box for August 2019. So we got these peanut butter chicken smokes that I'm telling you, they are going to love. We got the BULLYMAKE stop sign snackers. They're gonna love. And then these super cute bus bites. How perfect is that for back to school? They're gonna love these as well. So 3 different treats, amazing. And then they got, again, perfect for back to school, one of the Treat Finder ball toys from BULLYMAKE, and a peppermint flavored and scented BULLYMAKE pencil so they can write about what they learn. So I think this is super cute. I think they are going to absolutely love it. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you get BULLYMAKE? Do you get a subscription for your pets, cats or dogs? Let me know what you think down below. I love hearing from you guys. Again, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.